distribution here. Our frequency distribution here is any given distribution that has a frequency. Are we okay? It's any given distribution that has a frequency. What we have been solving here, they were what? They were non-frequency distribution, right? That's why you see for the mean here, we say mean here is now equal for the past problem that we have been solving. We have what? Summation of what of x here all over what? All over n. This was the formula that we have been using, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to change the concept now. Now from this formula here, you can say that there is nothing like f of frequency, right? Why? Because all the questions that we have been solving here involve nothing like a frequency. Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
So now we are coming to look at frequency distribution. But for this frequency distribution here, we also have what? We have the grouped frequency distribution, and also we have what? We have the ungrouped frequency distribution. Are we getting this concept here?
Yes, sir.
We have frequency distribution, right? And under this frequency distribution here, we have what? We have the grouped frequency distribution, and also we have the ungrouped frequency distribution. Are we okay? Now, we are going to start with what we say non-grouped frequency distribution. Now, when you say this frequency is what? Is non-grouped. You can have them, but they are not grouped together. Now, if you have something like this is a table, and here you have what? You have x value, here you have what? You have y value. Okay? Let me say something like what? Let me just use cos. Okay? And here, let's say we have what? We have a frequency. If you have 1, 2, 3, and we have 4, what we have here is what? You have 5, 8, 2, and 1. Now, this is called what? A frequency distribution. But this frequency distribution here is what? Is ungrouped frequency distribution. Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
They are ungrouped. They are not joined together. When they are joined together here, we say they are what? They are frequency. They are grouped frequency distribution. And when they are not joined together, we say what? They are what? They are ungrouped frequency distribution. Like what we are seeing here on the board now. Is what? Is non-grouped frequency distribution. Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
It's a frequency distribution, but it is what? It is a non-grouped frequency distribution. Are we getting this concept here?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this case now, if you are asked to find the mean, what do we use now? We use a formula which you all are familiar with, which is equal to what? Summation of what? Of fx all over summation of what? Of f. This was the formula that somebody was asking about, right? When I was using this formula. Then we said, so no, I know that you have done these things here from what? JSS3, right? And also SSS1, SSS2, and SSS3. You did these things, right? Now, you have gone past those levels now. Then someone will come and say commerce is difficult. Commerce is not that. Yes, I cannot say commerce is difficult, or I cannot say commerce is not difficult. I cannot say that, right? It's up to you. But what happens now? You must have a very good foundation. If the foundation is good, then it's up to you now to say what commerce is difficult or commerce is not difficult. Alright? So if that's the case now, this is the time that we are coming to make use of this formula now. You don't know what's the meaning of this sign, right? Summation, or is it sigma, right? It means you have to what? You have to add. Add what value? Fx.
Fx value.
Summation here again, or sigma. Add what value? The frequency. Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
The total value here. When you add them now, it what? You divide. Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
But for the mean here, that is the formula that we are going to use now for frequency distribution. We talk about the mode, right? The mode also is what? Is the occurrence of the highest frequency. The mode is the occurrence of the highest frequency. That means the frequency that appears the most is called what? It's called the mode.
The mode, yeah.
But what happens now? If we are to find the mode in this case, the value that's corresponded with what? With the scores, alright, that highest value. Here you can see what? The frequency that appears the most. Now you correspond, or you tell this to what? So what is at the top, or the x value, then that x value is the mode. Come on, mistake again. Observe something here. what is the highest value here? Is 8, right? Some people can say what the mode here is what is 8, which is wrong. The mode is not 8, but the mode here, after you have what? You have selected the highest value from the frequency distribution here, then correspond that value to what? To the x value. And when you select that value to the x value here, what do you have here now? So 2 is the mode. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
So the mode is what? Is the frequency that appears the most. The highest frequency in our frequency distribution here is called the mode. But for the non-frequency distribution here, you look at the number that appear the most. It's called what? It's called the mode, right?
Yes, sir.
Copy this on the plane. That's also sir. And also, a median is any value that is corresponding with what? That correspond with the x value, right? From what? From the cumulative frequency. And whenever we talk about what's median, under this median, you also want to have what? A quartile. Quartile range, right? Semi-interquartile range. Alright? You have what? You have the quartile range, you have the semi-interquartile range. From here, we're going to have what? You're going to have what? Percentile. You're going to have what? You're going to have what? Decile. Alright? So now that right here, the median here, normally when we find a median without a frequency here, we say what? We must arrange in ascending or descending order. Alright? Always. Whenever you have the value for the mode. So for the median, let's say we have what? We have 2, 5, 7, 8, and then you have what? You have 2 again. You have a mode here. What is the mode here? The number that appear the most here in non-frequency distribution, we are asked to find the mode. What is the mode here?
2.
2 is the mode. Because how many times do you have 2?
Twice.
You are getting this concept, right?
Yeah.
It is simple and straightforward. Take note, MCQs. It's just a bonus. Now, if we are asked to find the median, always, for the median you must look out for 2 values. When you have odd values, and when you have what? You have an even values. Guys, take note of them. What do I mean by that? Odd values and even values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are they odd? Yes, they are odd values because say odd values or odd numbers here, and those numbers when we divide them by what? By 2, we can have what? A remainder of 1.
1, yeah.
In this case, do you have a median here? Do you have the median here?
Yeah.
What is the median?
7.
In this case, the median is not 7. Oh yes, the median is not 7.
It's 5.
The median is not 5.
Arranging
Ascending or descending order.
Yeah.
After you arrange in ascending or descending order now, you can determine what the median.
The median, man.
Take note of this one, right? Because when you are 7, commas, I don't kill right, or I don't kill commas. So what like, you cannot do that, right? What you must do here, make sure you understand the concept before saying something. Are we okay?
Yes,
Are we alright?
Yes, sir.
So what happens now? We have 2 here, 2 again, right?
5.
5,
7.
7,
8.
8. Now let's find the median here. 1, 2, 3. Alright?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. What's the median here now?
5.
5 is the median. Whenever you have odd values, alright? Are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
The median here can be gotten what? As this value here. What if the values are what are even? Always, you look for the 2 values. The 2 middle values, right? And what happens now? Next. You add those values and you divide by what? By 2. Because we talk about the mean, right? The mean is what is the sum of all the events, right?
Yeah.
Divided by what? By the number of events. Now, you are adding, how many values are you adding here? 2 values, right? And we must divide by what? By 2. If that's the case here, looking at the guys, I will take this man off. At first we have odd numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you have even numbers here, there is no way you can find a mean without the median without adding all the 2 middle terms. Example 1, 2. Is that also sir?
Yeah.
When you start from this side, you have what? 1 and what? 2 and 2. Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. So if we are doing this value here, we are adding this value in this case here. Let's see. What are we going to have now? 1 and 2, right?
Yeah.
Take 5. 1, 2, you take 7. But 5, you add them, right?
Yeah.
All over. How many values are we adding here?
2.
We are adding 2 values, right?
Yes, sir.
And 7 here, plus 5 gives us
12.
what? 12, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, this one is equal to what? 12 here, all upon what? All upon 2.
Yeah.
And this one is equal to what?
6.
6. So our median is what? Is 6.
6.
Whenever you have what? You have odd values, add the two middle terms. Divide by what? By 2.
All the even values.
Even values, sorry.
Okay.
Whenever you have what? You have even values here, what do? Add the two values, the two values, right? And you what? You divide by what? By 2.
But we still need to arrange them in ascending order.
Of course, you must always arrange in ascending or descending order.
Okay. Before
Before you can do anything for the median. Always, whenever you have what? You have a median in what? In non-frequency distribution. You must arrange in ascending or descending order.
Okay.
Now we arrange this time, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's start with what? With 8. Next we have what? 7, right?
Yeah.
Next we have what? We have 5.
5.
Next we have what? 2. And we have what? We have 2. And what are we asked to find here? We are asked to find the median, right? Let's go for the median. 1, 2, 3 again, right? Start from this point again. 1, 2. We still have 5 as what? As our median. So irrespective of the arrangement, whether even ascending or descending order, we are going to have what? The median. For what? Non-frequency distribution. But what if we have what? We have the frequency and we have been asked to find what? To find the median. What are we to do here? We must create another column here that is called what? Accumulative frequency. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Here again, you must take note of what I've just explained. That is what? Here you are not going to arrange in ascending or descending order. Arrangement of what? Ascending or descending order is only applicable when you have what? You have non-frequency. Are you okay, sir? Arranging in ascending or descending order is only applicable when you have what? Non-frequency distribution for the median. Are you okay with this one now?
Yes, sir.
But whenever you have a frequency, you must have what? What we call as accumulative frequency. Are you okay, sir? That's one. After you have gotten a cumulative frequency, alright, we have a formula again. What is that formula here? We have what? We have summation, or we can say what? Half. Summation of what? Of f. But mind you, it always goes with what? With th. Why? Because we are talking about what? Position. Which position? That is what we are asking, right? Median is always a position. We talk about what the median is what? It's always what? The middle value. After we have arranged in what? Ascending or descending order, right? Or after we have what? We have gotten what? Accumulative frequency. Are we getting the concept here?
Yes, sir.
So, we must know when and how to use these formulas. Again, same we have what? We have another formula which states summation of f here plus 1 all over what? All over 2. Or we can say what? Half summation of f here, you have what? You have th, yeah? This is the same thing here. Plus 1, sorry. You have what? You have th. Are you okay, sir? All you do is summation of what? Of f here, all upon what? All upon 2. It's just the same thing, sir. Are we okay? Or we can use what? N plus 1 all over 2 th, or we can say what? N here all upon what? All upon 2. Th, why? Because we are talking about what? About position. But you must know how to use this formula. Mind you, N plus 1 is just the same as what as this man. Are we ready, sir? And this man here is just the same as what as this man here as well, or this man. Or you can as well say what? 1 upon 1 upon 2 here you have what? You have N, th. It's just the same as what as this man again.
Yes, sir.
Are we okay? Or you can say what? N here plus what? Plus 1, eh? Half. You have what? You have th. Are we good with this one here?
Yes, sir.
It's just the same thing, sir. Are we alright?
Yeah.
Now, this formula is only used when the value is what? Is odd. Are we okay? When the value is what? Is an odd value, the summation after you have gotten everything here. When this frequency here is what? Everything after you have added everything, and when you have your answer to be what? To be an even value, you use what? Use this formula or use what? Use this formula. Are we okay? But when the value is an odd value, use this value or use what? Use this value. Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
They are all in the book. What you need is what is just explanation, right? You have the material. Are we okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now when you talk about what? Median here, and then we talk about what? Quartile range, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the quartile range here? For the quartile range, they will look at the word quartile, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the quartile here? Talk about what quartile range, right? Interquartile range, semi-interquartile range, right? You have the lower quartile range, you have the upper quartile range, right?
Yeah.
Lower quartile and the upper quartile. Is that also, sir?
Yes, sir.
Quartile means what? divide something into four aspects, right?
Yeah.
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this guy here. That's why when you're telling time, you say what? Quarter past 4, right?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Quarter to 4. Is that so, sir?
Yeah.
This is the reason. That means the clock has been divided into what? Into 4 hours, right?
Yes.
Let's assume this is the clock. This is how we divide the clock. Here is what? Here is 12. Here is 6. Here is 3. And here is what?
9.
Here is 9. Hope it is clear, right? When this hand, let's assume that this is the short hand, right? Oh, short hand, right? And here is, let me use that the long hand. Here is the short hand, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you say now? Quarter past what? Quarter past what? 6.
Yes, sir. 6.
Are you okay, sir?
Yeah.
Now what if we have the long hand here? So what do you have now? Quarter to what?
7.
Quarter to 7. No, let's say quarter to 6, right?
6.
Quarter to 6, right? But if this one is slightly pointed to this particular area, it's quarter to what? 7. That means the clock has been divided into what? Into 2 equal halves now.
Yeah.
Or 4 equal halves, right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, quarter means what? So divide something into what? Into 4. Are you right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
when you talk about what? The quarterly range here, it has a formula. And what is that? We have what? We have Q3 here minus what? Minus Q1, eh? Upper quartile and what? And the lower quartile. Now you have semi-interquartile range. Semi means what? Half, eh?
Yeah.
Say you're semi-crisp, man. You did a small crisp also. Half mad, right?
Yeah.
Now, we have what? We have quarterfinal, is that also, sir?
Yeah.
And we have what? We have semi-final, right?
Yes, sir.
When it's a semi-final, it means what? You are close to the final. Is that also, sir?
Yes, yes,
Just one step, right?
Yeah.
For you to get to the final. So what's that formula here? We have Q3 here minus Q1 all over what? All over 2. Now, can you tell me why we are dividing by 2? Can you tell me why we are dividing by 2? Can you tell me why we are dividing by 2?
Because it is 2 half.
It is 2 half, eh?
Yeah, we are
Good, 2
dividing.
half. I like that. See, man, they get the one they like for me.
Because
I love your confidence.
So,
Uh-huh.
7 means half.
So it means half, right?
So, and
Yes. So what is the case
Two
here?
values actually are divided.
Oh, we have 2 values. That's why we are dividing by 2. But look at what we're doing here. Are we not subtracting here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are subtracting. This is not a mean.
Okay.
Mean is the same as what? As average.
Average.
Alright? Mean is the same as what? As sum. In case they ask you to find a sum, it means you have to add all of the values, right? If in case they ask you to find what the average, when you are going to school, look at the average, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is your average? Average is what is so, right? What happens now? They took all your values by then, alright? The sum that you offered, add all of them here and divide by the total number of subjects that you offered. That determines your promotion. Is that also, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we are saying what? Semi-interquartile. We are dividing by what? By 2. The only reason here, that is what? Half. And then we have what? We have Q1 here. Sorry, Q3 minus what? Minus Q1, eh?
Yes,
Half multiply. We all know that 1 times any number.
The number is
Right, sir.
These guys they have what? A coefficient of 1, right? You can say again 0.5 here times 4 times the whole of these values. You are still okay, sir. That is what we are saying what? Divided by what? By 2. Not because we have a negative sign.
Okay.
We are only saying what? The mean here is what is the sum of all the events, right? When we add 2 values, we must divide by 2.
Yeah.
But in this case here, you are seeing 2 at the bottom simply because we talk about what? Semi. Inter what? Interquartile range, right?
Yes, sir.
That is half inter what? Quartile range. Are we okay now?
Yes, sir.
They are all in the book. All the formulas are in there.
Yes.
Now, we talk about what? We talk about quartile, right? Quartile means what? One value has been divided into what? Into 4 aspects.
Perfect.
Are you okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
We are seeing what? 1 upon 2, you have done fraction. Fraction is what? Is the division of what? Of a whole, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, 1 is here. That means one value has been divided into what? Into 2.
2 half.
Are you okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
When you have what? You have a circle, something like this. You divide this guy here. How many value did you
One.
divide?
2.
2 values, right? How many? Is that 2 value?
1 value.
Just 1 value, right?
One value.
Now, what do you have here now?
2 half.
Cross now, right?
Yes, sir.
One is here, and this is half, and this is half. And half plus half gives you what?
1.
1. Just after this topic, we are going to look at probability, right? That's the answer is what? The answer must be equal to 2.
No.
1.
Hmm?
No.
Always, yeah, we have probability of success and we have probability of failure, right?
Yeah.
We are going to look at them. Life is what is probability, right?
Yeah.
That's mathematics is what is applicable everywhere. Some people say, I didn't know why we are doing mathematics. It has no benefit. No, it has. It does, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because everywhere you apply what mathematics. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. You have worked from this point to this point here. So when you look at what average velocity, right? On the mathematics here, what
Yes.
happens?
You are comfortable some amount of distance.
Distance, right? At that time, that's not physics. Let's leave that one for. Yeah, we are getting to that point, right?
Apply there.
So therefore, that's the reason, right?
Yes, sir.
So quarter means what? One value has been divided into what? Into 4. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Look at decile. Decile, percentile. Whenever you have the word decile, find the decile. What's that? That decile means what? 10, right?
10. Okay.
10. And percentile means what? 100.
100.
Fifth decile.
Thank you.
10 decile, right? Now, if the question only says what decile range, find the decile range. You know what is that? Just the decile range D here, D9 minus what? Minus D1. You know why? Because this man can be only equal to what? Let's assume we have K. The K's value, right? Now, this one here is what? K is equal to what? 9 or what? Less than what? The highest value is there is 10, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not sir.
Yeah.
9 plus 1 gives you what?
10.
So you can only subtract 9 from what? From 10. What if they say what? The percentile range? You can say what? P here, P what? 99 here minus what? Minus P what? P1. Are we alright?
Yes, sir.
All of them are in what? Are in that particular book that spot.
Yeah.
They're in there. All you need to do here, just go through the book. Alright? Now you have gotten the explanation. I do believe the explanation is what is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what we can do now, we are going to dive into what is the problems now.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
But you know what you can do here? This one is what is too long, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's reserve this one and come to
Problem.
15.
let's take this one problem two, right?
Okay.
Yes.
So, for a given frequency.
Now here we look at this one, we have to give you frequency, right?
Yeah, this-
In most cases here, most of the questions that you have for frequency distribution here, you know what happens now? They goes with what? With a table, eh?
Yes, sir.
But you see something strange. I'm saying what most, right? I'm not saying all of the questions here must go with what? With a table.
Yeah.
Hmm? One value. When you divide one value by 100, what is that? Decile, right?
Yes, that's
What is that decile or percentile? Which one? Percentile.
Yeah.
So what percentage, yeah? Hope you're okay with this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Question now. Let's go to question. Yes, sir.
So, for a given frequency distribution,
Mm-hmm.
summation F,
Mm-hmm.
bracket X minus
Now,
X bar.
summation F. Yes.
Bracket X minus X bar.
Let me just explain something again. Sorry, before we go to the question. We have looked at the mean, right?
Yes, sir.
What about the variance and standard deviation? They have a formula as well. Alright?
Yeah.
Variance. This is the symbol for the variance, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the symbol for the variance, always. It's now equal to, now we have, look at the variance here. For the variance, we have what? Summation of F here into what? X minus X bar, the whole word square,
Yeah.
all upon what? Summation of what? Of F. That is one formula for what? For the variance. Are we okay?
Good question.
Yeah, when we have what? Frequency distribution, right? At first year, when we are using those formulas here, they were not having what? Anything like what? Like a frequency, right?
Yes, sir.
But here in this case, now you are seeing what? You are seeing F. It means for frequency distribution. Are you okay, sir? Are we all okay?
Yes, sir.
So we quickly. Another formula here for the variance as well is equal to, now we have what? Summation of what? Of Fx square all upon what? Summation of F minus summation of Fx all upon what? Summation of what? Of F, the whole square. This is another formula that we are going to look at. For the variance, it all depends. Are you okay, sir? I'm going to share again for X minus X bar. We all know what is X bar, right? What is X bar?
By
It's
the
a
mean.
mean. It's a mean, right?
Yeah.
Now the mean is denoted by what? By X bar.
X bar, yeah.
That is the symbol. Just as we have the symbol for what? For media, so variance, right?
Variance, yeah.
Are we okay? Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Good, let's go. Now we have gotten the variance. What about the standard deviation? Let's look at the standard deviation, right? Standard deviation is equal to what? Variance here is what? Standard deviation is the positive square root of what? Variance. Now, when you have the formula here, look at this formula here. Just this one is equal to, now take this man over here and come to the square root, eh? What do you have now? Summation of what of f into what? X minus x bar, the whole square, all upon what? Summation of f, right?
Yes,
Or, you can say what? The standard deviation is equal to what? The positive square root of what of a variance, right?
Yes,
Take this man again and say what? This guy is equal to summation of what? Of fx square, all upon what? Summation of what? Of f minus what? Summation of fx, all upon what? Summation of what? Of f, right?
Yes, sir.
The whole what? Square. But this is the square root of what? Of this guy. Those are the formulas that we are going to make use of throughout for what? For frequency distribution. But this distribution is what? Is ungrouped frequency distribution. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
When we go to what? To the group frequency distribution here, maybe we are going to see something new for the variance. Alright? Simple and what? Just grab the concept. Any question before we go to problems now? Do you have any question to ask? Hope the explanation is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
If at all the explanation is not clear, then you let me know, eh?
Yes, sir.
Should I proceed?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go to question now. Question time, eh?
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
For a given frequency distribution,
Yes, sir.
summation f
Summation of f.
in bracket x minus x bar
Oh, a bracket x minus x bar
whole square
equal to
equal to
182.3.
182.3. Yes. Summation fx square
Summation fx square
equal to
equal to
1025.
1025. And
Summation f
summation f
equal to 30.
equal 30.
Find summation fx.
Summation fx is equal to our question.
Yeah.
Simple and
Straightforward.
good. Let us pay attention. Pay attention, right? It's so simple and straightforward, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you must try to understand always here, looking at what is given to you, you must try to understand the question. Don't rush. Take your time. Go through the question. After which, you'll be able to understand the problem, right? Are we okay? Now, we have what? We have x bar, right?
Yes, sir.
But you have to have a formula, is that also, sir? But what is that formula here? Summation of what? You have. So using here. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
This guy is equal to what? Is equal to this, right?
Yes, sir.
We have two formulas. That is what you must try to understand. I have stated them all for you here. Variance is now equal to what you have. You have summation of what of f here, all upon what? X minus what? X bar, the whole square, all over what? Summation of what of f, right?
Yes, sir.
This is one formula. You can choose to call this one equation 1, right?
Yes, sir.
You know why? Because we have another formula for what for the variance. And what's that? We say what variance is now equal to, you have again, summation of what? Of fx square, all over what? Summation of f is minus what? You have summation of fx, all over what? Summation of what? Of f. The whole what? The whole square. You can call this equation 2 if you like to. It's not compulsory, guys. I only want you guys to understand. That's why I am making mention of us equation 1 and equation 2.
Yeah.
Are you alright, sir?
Yes, sir.
Whenever we have what? Two unknown values, we say what? That is simultaneous equation, right?
Yes, sir.
But look at this one here. Whenever you have what? A leading equation, you have two different leading equations here. What do you do? Two same leading equations. What do you do now? You equate them, right?
Yes, sir.
Observe here.
Yes, sir.
Variance is here equal to this equation 1. We also have what? Variance. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. So in that case here, this one is somewhat different from this guy, right?
Yeah.
But the leading equation here is what is a variance, and the leading equation here is what is a variance, right? So therefore you equate the two equations. Are we getting this concept?
Yes, sir.
We move. So therefore equation 1 is equal to what? Equation 2. And what are they? For equation 1 we have a summation of what? Of f into what?
X
minus what? X bar, the whole square all over
summation of
f. This is for equation 1, right?
Yes, sir.
But we must equate them. That is, we must have an equal sign. That is, the two equations are now equal. Are we right?
Yeah.
For equation 2, what do we have?
Summation
of fx square all over summation of f minus summation of fx all over what? Summation of f, the whole square. Are we right now?
Yes, sir.
Go back to the question. Look at what was given to us. What is that?
Summation of f.
What of this is equal to what?
182.3.
So substitute the values now, right? Now we have 182 what?
2.3.
182.3 all over summation of f is what we are asked to find, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that what we are asked to find? No, we have what? 30, eh? 30 equal to summation of fx square. What is that?
1025.
1025, eh?
All
over summation of f is what? 30 minus here. We have what? Summation of fx, right?
Yeah.
And what is that?
We are asked to find.
Okay, that's what we have to find, right?
Yes, sir.
Summation of fx here all over what? What is summation of f?
30.
Now we have what? We have 30. Are we getting the concept here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple as this one, right?
It is.
Alhamdulillah. Let me go again. Let me go over here. This guy and this guy here, they are okay, right? But this man is what we want to find. Now, also, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I will do now, I will make sure I bring this guy to this side because we want this guy to what? To be positive, right?
Yes, sir.
But mind you here, we have what? Summation of what? Of fx. Here is what? The whole square, right? All over what? 30, right?
Yes, sir.
So the power is what is 1, right? 1 times 2.
So,
Are you working now? So therefore again, okay, let me just move. Let me just leave this one for now. Whole what? Whole square. I will do that one to the next step. Equal to. Now this man is on this side. Is that also, sir? Maintain this man 1025 all over what? 30. And this man here is what is positive. Coming over here becomes what now?
Negative.
Minus 182.3 here all over what?
30.
Are we all okay?
Yes, sir.
Are we getting the concept here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we move. Now, this man here is what? Is responsible for all of the terms in the bracket, right?
Yeah.
So we now have what? Summation of what? Of fx square now. Are we okay, sir? Good. All over. Yeah, again. 30 square gives you what? 900, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we okay? Confirm that one.
Yes,
What
sir.
it is?
900.
Yeah, 900.
Good. Equal to. Now, these guys are they the same?
They are.
Whenever you have what common denominator, what you do, just add or subtract the numerators.
Yeah.
So therefore, 1025 minus what? 182.3. What is that?
It's 842.7.
842.7 all over what? All over 30. Just take one of the denominator.
In is the black.
Right? So we have what? Summation of what? Of fx square all over what? 900 here is now equal to this guy here. What do you have? Now, you can no, sir, you can set the cross multiply, right?
Okay.
Let me do the divide by 30. Let me just cross multiply right away for the work to be easier, eh?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you have now?
30 summation of f.
Now we have what? 30 here, summation of what?
FX.
Summation of f.
No, you say 33.
30 here, summation of what? Fx square, right? Is now equal to here. This is same as what? As 900 here times what? 842.7 all over what? All over 30, right? And then we have what? We have 30 here.
No.
Huh?
At 30, don't
Not
cross
over 30.
multiply.
30 is one.
Okay, we have taken 30, right?
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
we are taking 30.
And now should be 8, not 4.
Where?
You say 442.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
842.
842.
Are we okay now?
Yes, sir.
So the moment they don't pass my
Yeah,
pen.
yeah.
So let's go. So what do we have now?
So we have now
30, yeah?
30 FX
30
square
summation of what? Of fx square, right?
equal
Is
to
now equal to what do you have here now?
758430.
758430, right?
Yes, sir.
Now to find the value of this guy, divide both sides by what? By 30 again, eh? Yeah, by what? By 30. This and this we cancel here. summation of fx square is now equal. What do you have here?
Equals to 25281.
25281, eh? But we want to find this guy.
Yeah.
As if my standing, right?
Yes, sir.
So what happens now? We take square root on what? On both sides, right? It's now equal to, now what do you have here now? Square root of
It's
what?
159.
25281,
159.
eh?
Yes, sir.
And summation of fx here is now equal.
159.
We have 159, eh?
Yes, sir.
Or you can decide to want to divide here again.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Just the same thing, whichever. You are going to have the same answer.
Okay.
Are we okay now?
Yes, sir.
Check, are we okay with these guys? Simple and straightforward, right?
Yes, sir.